Hello, welcome to the WeChat course. Let's say when you log into the WeChat official account, you come into the dashboard. This dashboard shows the summary information of the new message, new follower, total follower. Okay, few of the important menu that let's go through here. First thing is the thing you can do the broadcast. Broadcast is allow you to send the message to all your members. Then auto reply is something like the when the user press 1, you will reply apple. Press B, reply with the ball, something like this. So come to the user notify menu is a menu tab in your WeChat account. Then management, you can read how many members send you message. You can check how many followers in your account. You can check the materials. Materials is about the content. Statistic is about the report or this report. Okay. So let me go through the first important function, which is the broadcast. In the WeChat official account, you can do only one broadcast per day, which means after 12 a.m. you can do another broadcast again. So the broadcast allows you to send text, image, and audio. So you can click select material or create a new material. Let's go to the select material. This is a material that I've created as a sample. I tick it and OK. Okay, so here it says you can broadcast one more message in today. After 12 a.m. you can broadcast another. So when I click this broadcast, the message will send to all my followers here. Okay, so once broadcast sent out, it cannot pull back. So in the broadcast, few things you can do. You can send the plain text, or you can go with picture. You can go with audio. You record the audio and upload. Okay, after the broadcast functions, second important function is the user menu. Okay, can get it? Okay, you just click add menu, gender. Okay. Of course, every menu will have a content. So you need to tick the content and select. Let's say this is another new content, you have to add a new message, new content. So later I will guide you how to create a new content. So let's temporarily use this rabbit content. Right? Gender. I create another male rabbit. I create another female rabbit. Okay. So menu ordering, I can do the sorting. I can save and publish or preview in my phone. Oh. So when you press and save, you will notice the changes in your WeChat. Right? Oh, female rabbit, I forgot to add the content, so it's not allowed to publish. So I need to add the content. Save and publish. That's it. This is about the menu maintenance.